Hey, if you've been trying to get more traffic, more leads, and actual buyers online, but feel like traditional SEO is getting harder and slower, you're going to want to pay close attention to this because something big has changed. People are no longer just searching on Google. They're asking AI. Right now, millions of users are turning to tools like ChatGPT, Google AI, Claude, and Perplexity to get direct answers. Not lists, not pages of links, just one clear recommendation. And here's the part most people don't realize. When AI gives an answer, it often recommends specific businesses, tools, or services, which means if your business is included, you win. You get highly targeted, buyer intent traffic. But if you're not included, you're invisible. So the real question becomes, how do you get your business recommended by AI? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Now, this shift is called AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, and it's different from traditional SEO. Instead of just ranking on search engines, you're optimizing your content so AI can understand it, trust it, and recommend it. Sounds complicated, right? Things like structured data, schema markup, entity signals, and LLM optimization. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not technical. That's where tools like SERPsling AI come in. SERPsling AI is designed specifically to help you get visibility inside AI search engines, without needing to code or figure everything out manually. And it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Audit. The platform scans your website and shows you exactly where you stand in terms of AI visibility. It identifies gaps, things that might be stopping AI from recognizing or recommending your content. So instead of guessing, you get a clear picture of what needs fixing. Step 2. Optimize. This is where the magic happens. SERPsling AI automatically improves your site by adding the right structure, enhancing your content for AI readability, and strengthening your entity signals. Basically, it transforms your website into something AI can easily understand and trust. And step 3, deploy. With just a few clicks, your optimized content and structure go live. No complicated setup, no waiting months for results. You're now positioned to start showing up in AI-generated answers. Now, let's talk about why this matters so much. AI traffic is different from regular traffic. These users are not browsing. They're asking specific questions because they're ready to take action. They want the best option, the safest choice, the most reliable service. That means the traffic coming from AI is often pre-sold. Higher intent, better leads, more conversions. And here's the opportunity. Right now, most businesses are not optimized for AI search. They're still focused only on traditional SEO. That means there's a gap, a window where early adopters can get ahead. But that window won't stay open forever. As more businesses catch on, competition will increase, and it will become harder to stand out. So getting started now puts you in a strong position. Now, is SERPsling AI a magic button? No. You still need a solid offer, good content, and a real business behind it. But what it does do is remove the technical barriers and speed up the process, so you can focus on results instead of struggling with the back end. If you're a business owner, marketer, or even thinking about starting an agency, this is definitely something worth looking into. Because the way people search is changing, and those who adapt early are the ones who benefit the most. So if you want to start getting buyer traffic from AI search engines, this is your chance to get ahead of the curve. Alright, that's it for today's video. I've left the link below so you can see it for yourself and decide if it fits your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.